Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Volvo V70. So from any screen, if you go to telephone, you see no phone connected and OK to connect. Here's OK, here's exit. So we click OK. That brings up another menu and it's got all the different phones that are connected to it. Now if I highlight my phone there, click on OK, you see there connect for phone or delete device. So turn the rotary control, delete device, click OK. Do you want to delete Barry's iPhone Pro? Yes, OK. So I'll just do that once more. We'll highlight that one, click OK, down to delete, delete device, click OK. That's it, it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Volvo V70. The first thing we do, we make sure Bluetooth is on at the top there. Over to the system, click on telephone. No phone connected and OK to connect. Now, initially you think you're supposed to turn to OK to connect, but that's not the case. It's on no phone connected, we click OK, and now search new phone, make discoverable, or connect to another phone that's already connected. So we click search. Searching for Bluetooth devices, make sure your device is discoverable. It is. Exit to cancel. So we're just waiting here. Taking its time, but to be fair, I've just deleted it off here. So there we go, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. That's the one we want to connect. So turn that down to my phone, highlight it, click OK. Connect for phone, click OK. And we're waiting for, there you go, pairing request to come up. 63377, pair 63377, OK to confirm, so OK. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Connected, let's just find it on here. My V70 connected, that's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Volvo V70. The first thing we do is go over to music, and you see here the silver triangle and the 3 silver circles. Click on that. It's not showing anything here. We go over to this system, the phone is connected to Bluetooth, click media. Now that's showing connect USB. That's not what we want. So click media again, that brings up the menu. And we just highlight Bluetooth there, click OK. I don't want to connect to that Galaxy. What I want to connect to is that Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Connect for media, OK. Now just watch here. There you go, my V70's come up. I don't care it's playing on there. If I turn this up, all the bad things disappear. That's it, that's how you play music from your mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2014 Volvo V70. So all the buttons on here, at the moment it's on audio streaming, click nav. There you go, that's showing the map. If I click OK, it then brings up the menu for setting the destination. Turn the rotary control to set destination, and then address, points of interest. We want address, click OK. And now you've got city, select street. So if I go to select city, that's brought up, you'll see there, look, it's brought up if you just want to do the city, you use that like so to select the letter. But we want postcode. So what we need to do is just highlight postcode there, click OK. Now, if I go to, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. We now need numbers. So it's defaulted to numbers there. So I'll click numbers and then back here to 5. Might need a space, but 4, no it's not. And come back to ABC, click ABC. Where's E? E. A. Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR5 4EA. That's come up. So I'll click OK. Set single destination, yes. And you can choose those routes. It's saying 150 yards, route 2, but we'll go for route 1, even though
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
we're sat on the forecourt. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.